RFM analysis is one of the most powerful techniques for customer segmentation. R stands for recent. It indicates how recently a customer made a purchase. F stands for frequency, indicating how often they buy. M stands for monetary, which indicates how much they spend. In this example, we're using billing data from an electronics shop. The dataset includes customer ID, invoice date, item name, and value. Recency is calculated from the invoice date. Frequency is based on item name. Monetary is derived from the transaction value. Once RFM values are calculated, each customer is assigned to a segment. For example, the segment champions indicated your absolute best customers. They are recently active, frequent buyers, and high spenders. On the other hand, at-risk customers represent previously valuable customers who haven't returned in a while. A simple bar chart can reveal how your customers are distributed across segments. For instance, here we see that many customers fall under the segment "Can't lose them." These are high-value customers, which have now become inactive. Now let's see how to run RFM analysis using the platform data JavaScript. You can do RFM analysis without writing code and without prompt engineering. First, let us look at the data. The data is available as a CSV file. The dataset contains the billing information we just discussed. Make sure your date column is in DDMMY format. If it is not, you can quickly convert it using Excel formatting functionality. Next, we upload the file. After selecting the CSV, the platform displays a preview of the data on the screen, so you can verify everything looks correct. With the dataset loaded, we're ready to generate the RFM analysis. Data JavaScript provides a set of pre-configured prompts are ready-made instructions, so you don't need to write any code or manually design prompts. We begin with the first prompt, which simply displays a sample of the uploaded records. You can see that the preview correctly reflects the billing data we uploaded. Next, we move on to the main prompt that generates the RFM analysis. Here's what we select. We select customer ID as the column to group by. We select invoice date as the Recency column. We select item name as the frequency column, and we select value as the monetary column. Once the selections are made, the prompt is ready to run. In just a few moments, Data JavaScript produces the full RFM analysis. Each customer is assigned to a segment, and the system also generates a detailed explanation of the RFM methodology. You will also see additional visualizations, such as scatter plots and bar charts, which help you interpret the customer segments more effectively. Next, we can run another built-in prompt that provides an interpretation of the RFM analysis. The platform returns a clear, easy-to-understand explanation of what each segment means and what actions you might take for each group. In short, RFM analysis gives you a clear, data-driven way to prioritize customers. Personalize marketing and increase lifetime value now made effortless with Data JavaScript. Now it's your turn. Try it with your own data.